Oh, we're out in the garden. Been plucking a few weeds. Trying to get the garden in shape here. The corn isn't. Oh, we got some problems with it, but potatoes. Some of them came up, some of them didn't, sporadically. The cucumbers and the zucchini and the summer squash, the yellow squash, is coming really good. The onions, they look like they're coming pretty good. The tomato plants, they didn't do shit. They sucked this year for some reason. I don't know why. This field is supposed to have been clover and alfalfa planted. Everything in the brother grew, but the alfalfa and the clover. I got corn and everything mixed in there. I don't know how that happened. Turnips, radishes, all kinds of crap in there. Weeds. I gotta have to brush hog all that, I guess. That didn't turn out. What are you doing, Mama? She's picking weeds, folks. What's that?
Pepper plants are not gonna produce.
They're not gonna produce? They didn't seem to do as good as you thought they were gonna?
No.
Is that it?
Nope, so stop going to Walmart.
That's where we bought tomato plants at Walmart, folks. They didn't really turn out.
This is the first time I've had bad luck with their plants. So.
Really? Usually we have good plants. Where do we usually get it? H&B's?
H&B's, yeah.
H&B's in Highgate, they usually do pretty good. Highgate, Vermont, because we're from Vermont.
This year, it's hard to find plants.
It's hard to find plants this year, Mama says. Why is that, babe?
Because of the COVID, everybody beat me to it. I didn't think everybody would be out gardening and everything.
Everybody beat her to it. The potatoes, she bought the seed taters, but they didn't do very good at all.
Those at
I don't know where you got the seed taters, but
Guy's Farm and Garden.
some of them came up, some of them didn't.
Ooh, tomatoes.
We should replant probably. I don't know if it's too late to replant taters. I don't know, folks, you let me know. Is it too late to replant taters?
It doesn't look like I'm going to have good green tomatoes either.
Don't look like we're gonna have green tomatoes. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna be buying a lot of vegetables, it looks like. I don't like buying vegetables. We got zucchinis though. Yeah, I'm gonna fry this one up and eat it tonight.
A lot of relish.
We're gonna have a lot of zucchini relish, and what's the other one? Yellow relish. Summer relish.
A lot of tongue pickles.
Tongue pickles.
Sweet pickles.
Oh yeah, we love tongue pickles, don't we,
We're
babe?
going to have a lot of cherry tomatoes.
We might have some cherry tomatoes.
Some
Few.
plums.
Plum tomatoes, they're coming.
Big boys aren't doing too good. I wanted fried green tomatoes, but don't look like that's happening.
They're supposed to be big boys. They look like small boys.
I know, right?
Maybe they misread it.
No.
They misstamped it. Maybe they
Yeah.
stamped it big boys and it's supposed to have been small boys.
Yeah,
You ever
these
think
weren't
of
the
that?
cheap plants either at Walmart. One plant was $6.
$6 per plant. That one's starting to come out of its shoot.
Mm-hmm.
You better stick it in
Shoot.
there.
Baby, shoot. Shoot, shoot.
Don't kink it. You'll break it right off. Oh, oh. The other one too.
Pressing your luck.
Oh,
I
you
told
broke it
ya.
right off. Why
Told ya.
would you break it?
It was an accident. I told you, pressing your luck when you asked for more than one.
Oh. There you go, folks. You broke it right off. That's no good. We can eat those.
Ah, green.
Let them turn. Let them turn in the winter. You just threw them out. We're just,
Alright,
we
I
got so many tomatoes, we're throwing them out, folks.
I'll cook my spaghetti.
She's cooking spaghetti tonight. Well, we had spaghetti the other night.
No, we had goulash.
We had goulash.
But everybody's used up the sauce.
We got to use up the sauce. Spaghetti sauce. Hey, look at that over there. See what's growing? The rhubarb's coming back, babe. I mowed it down, now it's come back. And we got some, it's all growing up in there underneath the wood pile. What do they call that? They call it something. Now I'm being like Biden, can't remember shit. Horseradish. There it is. I don't know. I've never dug it up. I was here when we bought the place, so it's still here from the previous owner. Still grows. They say you gotta dig it up and clean it and all that crap. I don't know. There's the garden, folks. Doing pretty good. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie, out.